Okay, hello again to all my friends at home. Today is going to be much easier for you because yesterday I posted this great big long video, and today I'm breaking it down into chunks, which will make it much more manageable. Although remember, if you have a long video at home, all you got to do is pause it, leave for a little while, take a break, and come back and start your video up again. But if we remind ourselves of our learning target, we're counting by units of 6 to both multiply and divide. Okay? So, we're on the second page of our problem set. So you guys will have that posted as the second page. It says count by 6 to fill in the blanks below. You can sing your song, you can add on 6 every time, but go ahead and count on by 6s from 6. Go ahead and do that, boys and girls. Some of you already have it done. Can you guys help me do it? Yeah. We sing the song. 6, 12, 18, 24. Very good. That's all it wanted us to do is count by 6. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now it says complete the multiplication equation that represents the final number in your count by. Well, what does the final number in our count by mean? This is our count by, right? What's the final number there? Remember, let's circle it so we're all aware that is our final number in our count by. Go ahead and write a multiplication fact to get to 24. Right here. Okay, what did you write, Ellie? Ellison.
6 times 4.
How many people got 6 times 4 equals 24? Give Ellie a nice big thumbs up. Very good. Now, think about our strategy. What did we use? We skip counted by 6s till we got to 24. 6, 12, 18, 24. Our other factor was 4. We counted 4 6s. Okay, now it says complete the addition or the division equation that represents your count by. Remember, division always starts with the total. Go ahead and write that. Jace, what did you put for that? Very good. Again, if you have the equation 24 divided by 6 equals something and you're looking for it, what are you going to do? You're going to skip count by 6 till you get to 24. 6, 12, 18, 24, and there's your answer. Okay. Number 3, count by 6 to fill in the blanks below. This time we have more 6s, so I'm going to give you a minute to fill those in. Sing the song if you need to. Remember, it's Deck the Halls. Put your hand on your head when you have that done. We have a couple people finishing up. Can you guys skip count with me and help me fill it in? Go ahead, class. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42. Very good. Now it says complete the multiplication equation that represents the final number in your count by. Well, what's the final number in our count by? Let's circle it, shall we? That's the final number in our count by. Go ahead and write a multiplication sentence for that. And then go ahead and write the division sentence that goes with it. Well, we know our answer is 42, right? We got to decide how many 6s we counted. So what do we do, boys and girls? Look up here, Jason William. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We counted 6, 7, so 6 times 7 is 42. And hopefully you all knew that anyway because of my 7 times 6 equals 42 for their poster, okay? What division sentence did you write, Stephen?
42 divided by 6 equals 7.
Bingo, nice job. How many people got 42 divided by 6 equals 7? Give Stephen a nice big thumbs up. Nice job, bud. Again, if you had this, how would you get your answer? You would skip count by 6 until you got to 42. 42, which is what we did here. And then you count on your fingers or you can count with your right hand. All right, everybody understand that? Pretty easy to go from multiplication, division. Skip counting is a pretty powerful tool. Okay, Nick, can I ask you to slide that up? Okay, the kids in the other class really like this. So, let's just do this for a minute. You all know the song, right? So if I skip count by sixes, we're not doing this yet, okay? Skip count by sixes. Remember how I changed directions? Can we try that once? Okay, so 6, 12, 18, 24, 18, 24, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 36, 42. Well, guess what? I'm not the only person in the world that knows how to do this. Mrs. Burns says, oops, Mrs. Burns' class skip counts by 6 for a group counting activity. When she points up, they count up by 6. And when she points down, they count down by 6. The arrows show when she changes direction. Fill in the blanks below to show the group counting answers. I'm going to do a couple of these and then I'm going to ask you to fill in the rest of the line. So at first, we're starting by going up, right? 0, 6, 12, 18, 24. Now we go down by 6. So if you're at 24 and you go down by 6, what will your answer be? 18, it was right there. You go down 6 again, and what will you be at? 12. Oh, we changed directions. We're going back up. 12 plus 6 will be 18. Plus 6 more will give you
24.
Plus 6 more will give you
30.
Plus 6 more will give you
36.
Okay, I'm going to let you finish. Look at, they've changed directions. So 36 minus 6 gives you 30. 30 minus 6 gives you 24. You're still going down here, and then you're going to go back up. Take a minute to fill those in, and then we'll check our work. Save your time. Did you guys have math breaks over at Mrs. Baxter's? Yes. Okay. Let's do this. Let's start with Jadalyn, Kendall, Luke, Jace, Olivia, and Xavier. I am doing it according to where people sit. That's the easiest way for me to do that. You got that done, put your hand on your head. While you're waiting for some of your classmates, check your answers with your neighbor. Did you get the same ones? If you didn't, somebody must have a misunderstanding. Mercy and Quinn, check. And somebody check with Kate. You guys get the same answer? Did you? Not right now. All right, who can help me out? Looks like we're going down. We were at 36. We went down by 6. We were at 30. Went down 6 more. We're at 24. If we go down 6 more, everybody, we will be at 18. Now we're at 18. We're going up by 6, so we'll be at 24. We go up another 6, we'll be at 30. Go up another 6, we'll be at 36. Go up another 6, we'll be at 42. I'm not sure, boys and girls. And then we have, is that 48 here? All right. Everybody check your work. Make sure you have those filled in correctly. All right, Mrs. Burns says the last number that the class counts is the product of 6 and another number. Write a multiplication sentence and a division sentence to show she's right. Well, the last number they counted was 48. Go ahead and circle it, your count by. You want to circle it right here. That's the last number they counted. Go ahead and write a multiplication and a division equation for that number. Very nice. All right, Stephen, what number sentence did you write? 6 times what equals 48? If you skip count, you should be able to get it. Jace, what'd you get? How many people agree with 8? Okay, so Stephen, let's just see if we skip count by 6, 8 times. Ready? Or we'll skip count until 48 and see how many fingers. Ready, everybody? Get your fingers out. Everybody do it. You know I can do it all day long. You're doing a test. I'm not going to come around and skip count in your ear. You got to be able to do it on your own, all right? We're going to skip count by 6 till we get to 48, see how many fingers that is. Ready? Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42, 48. We're stopping at 48. How many fingers is that? I believe that Jace is correct. 6 times 8 equals 48. And then the related divisions back, 48 divided by 6 also equals 8. Either way, boys and girls, you can skip count by 6 and get to 40. Okay, one more problem. All right, Julie counts by 6 to solve 6 times 7. She says the answer is 36. We have to answer, is she correct? And explain. So why don't you guys go ahead? The only way you're going to know whether or not she's correct is for you to do your own skip counting. Show your work. So show your skip counting just like we did in these previous problems. What? Huh? It is, but I want you to show your skip counting. Like where I see Jadalyn showing her skip counting, that's her. I want to see skip counting. Do your skip counting. So friends at home, what you want to be doing right now is you want to be skip counting by sets. Jace and William, hands to yourselves. And Julie is going to count 7 sixes. So I would probably count 7 sixes. Skip count with me, class. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. I'm going to just stop because I have no idea how many sixes I counted. I should have been using my fingers. So now I'm going to count underneath there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I did count 7 sixes, but I did not get 36, did I? What did I get? So is Julie correct? Is 6 times 7 36? So if we answer the question, is she right? We're going to write yes. She is not right. What can we say? 6 times 7 is 42, not 30. So if you want to show your work, boys and girls, skip counting like this with commas in between, numbering your counts, that's a really good way to show your work for math, okay? All right, nice job, boys and girls. I'm going to go stop the video. Friends at home, make sure you complete this page. We did it with you, so I would expect it to be correct, and then I will check it, okay?